When you don't have a car, it's a problem. Because now you have to bath within 10 minutes. Rush, because other people have to pick you up. And they are the ones that are having a say. But with that said, guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, I am Debbie. For my returning, my loyal, for those of you that got my back, thank you for always coming back. And with that said, welcome home. So today I am going to the waterfall. They had just opened the gates, like the Ruacana Waterfall gates yesterday. So I was fortunate enough to call one of my friends to ask him if he's actually going to the waterfall because he has a car. I don't have a car and there are no taxis in this town there. So he's like, bruh, I am going, but I'm only giving you 10 minutes because we were already almost about to go. So I was given 10 minutes. 10 minutes to bath, dress up. I know I'm sweating, but please forgive me because I was rushing. Like I said, I had to rush. Like I had to bath within 10 minutes. So you can just imagine all the rush. That's why I'm like sweating and it's already hot for that matter. So yeah. So I'm just waiting for him. I just told him I'm done bathing and dressing up. So I am waiting for him to come pick me up so that we can go to the waterfall. I'm so excited because I have never been to the waterfall while it's like flowing. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So yeah.
We all have iPhones here. You see? See, look at the iPhone. iPhone, what, 7?
What is?
Let us go and see nature.
7.
Koni Mayabaki, of course.
Yeah, I'm misusing someone's boyfriend.
That's just footy there.
Goodness, my gracious, we are here. Can you hear the sound of our beautiful waterfall? It's a 360. Atu Pitimpono. Ma'am.
So, what are you doing?
He's going to park, he's going down. Oh, there's stairs. They want to come here. You what? Atwende sama. Nangwe to jat. Nangwe. Ikanje ponare? Ndati tuendere mumwe. Okay, no get it. No, the child. I understand the child. So she
Want to see, but they don't know that it's
dangerous. Oh man, oh, this is where I saw people taking pictures. Yes. Ooh. Guys, do you see that beauty? Ah! I'm screaming. I feel like I'm in heaven.
Is it the waterproof?
waterproof to a certain extent. I don't know how.
But what?
It's waterproof to a certain extent. You non-power people, fix this.
Now cancel.
No, this is not
No! Welcome to the tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforest.
Waterfall!
What's happening?
What the? Then you get the bathing. Oh my god!
As we draw closer and closer to the what? Ruacana! Wait, I need to take a. Oh my fucking god! This is so beautiful. Like you guys can't see what I'm seeing, but yo, this is amazing. I know it's raining over there, and it's probably gonna be very wet. But yo, for the love of yo, shit, guys, this is beautiful. Oh my word. This is what we live for. It's worth risking everything, you know? Can you guys see this beauty? First time experiencing waterfall. Wow. This is a beauty, bruh. A whole beauty in it. Madam out here recording herself. Look at those ones. Those motherfuckers taking pictures out there. Like it's not like their phone is daddy ropa, bruh. We are going back home because Waterfall got to hurricane. It was a beautiful experience. I would advise everybody I'd advise everybody to actually come to the waterfall, have the same beautiful experience we had. It was wonderful. Like it was a heaven experience. like I was ever in heaven.
Can you sit?
I'll see you guys. I don't know when. I am back home. It was definitely a short, beautiful experience. I wouldn't trade for anything, guys. I don't regret having to rush for 10 minutes because you know what? Wow. Isn't Namibia beautiful? Like, they don't show you the beautiful Namibia, but anyways, I hope y'all liked what you saw. So yeah, guys, until next time, it's a wrap from me and bye-bye.